What a lucky time for software developers. Like, this new month just has started and we have yet another bundle from Handbook in cooperation with O'Reilly. This time main topic is Cybersecurity Month. So we have 22 great books regarding cybersecurity. If you are a software engineer or DevOps or DevSecOps or GitOps, then this bundle is especially for you. As I said, we have 22 items. As always, price is low and it's just 22.38 euros. You have books of total value over 1,000 euro, which is great. What's worth to remember though is that this deal is time limited. So we have time to October 21st. Let's say, don't wait too long. And I would like to go through these books quickly just to check what we have here. I've picked top 3 books for software engineers, and for me number 1 is web application security. Another great pick might be practical cloud security. What might be really curious is learning DevSecOps, because this topic is full of great practices for developers, for DevOps, for GitOps, for basically many people can find something useful here. These are my top 3 books. As you can see, there is a lot more. If you are into AWS, probably security and microservice architecture on AWS might be really good idea. I am pretty curious about Cybersecurity Ops with Bash. This might be pretty nice. For sure, I will take a look into hacker culture A to Z. I will also take a look into 97 things every application security professional should know, because this title looks very promising. And Defensive Security Handbook. This title sounds really curious for me. Of course, I am into AI and all that stuff, so large language model security is something that I will dive into for sure at some point. I hope that you will find something for you in this bundle, and I hope that you are watching this while there is still time to buy it. And of course, see you in the following video. Right now I'm working on some material about Perplexity AI.